Are you seeing the maximum number of attempts reached, try again later error on your TikTok app for Android? This video is for you. This issue usually happens when you're trying to verify your account too many times in a short period. Let's go through some troubleshooting steps to help fix it. But before trying the actual solutions, make sure you have a stable internet connection, and you should also double check your username, email, and password. After you're done with that, let's move on. Solution 1. Clear TikTok app cache and data. If the problem is with a bug in your app, clearing its cache and data should help. Go to your app gallery or home screen, tap and hold on to the TikTok app. Then tap on the I button or app info. This will take you to your TikTok settings. Search for the option storage from here. Once found, tap on it. Now tap on clear cache. And then tap clear data. Tap on delete to confirm the action. Remember that this will delete everything inside your TikTok app and completely reset it. But after the reset, your verification code problem should be fixed. But if that did not work, try out the other solutions. Solution 2. Restart your app and device. Press and hold on to the TikTok app on your home screen. Then tap the I button or app info. Tap Force Stop. This will close the TikTok app completely. After that, restart your phone. Once the phone restarts, try the process again. Solution 3. Reinstall TikTok. If the problem is with the app, you might need to reinstall it to properly resolve the problem. So on your app gallery or home screen, press and hold on to the TikTok app. Then tap Uninstall and confirm the action. After this, go to the Google Play Store and search for TikTok. Simply reinstall the TikTok app from here. So guys, that's how you can fix the maximum number of attempts reached error on TikTok. I really hope you found this video helpful. If it helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and show some support. Thanks so much for watching, and feel free to drop any questions in the comments if you need further assistance.